What if I told you that you could start earning money with Amazon without investing a single dollar, without buying inventory, and without needing any prior experience? Sounds like clickbait? Well, it's not, because in today's video, I'm going to walk you through 5 real Amazon side hustles that people just like you are starting from home and scaling into full-time income streams. No fancy setup, no upfront investment, just a laptop, Wi-Fi, and some time. Let's dive in. 1. Amazon KD. No, hold on, I know what you're thinking. Wait, I'm not an author. I've never written a book in my life, and that's exactly what makes this so powerful. Amazon KDP is a platform where anyone can self-publish books and make money every time someone buys your book on Amazon. And I'm not talking about 300-page novels. I'm talking about low-content books like Journal Splanner Skunskenbonk Books Puzzle Books Logbooks. A mom from Texas created a simple gratitude journal in Canva, uploaded it to KDP, and is now making over $1,500 a month in passive income. She didn't hire a designer. She didn't write a single word. She just used free Canva templates and uploaded the book. Why it's powerful? 100. Free to publish. Amazon handles printing and shipping. You earn up to 70% royalty per sale. Free tools like BookBolt or Canva to design your book cover and interior, then optimize your listing with high search, low competition keywords like daily fitness planner for moms or simple budget tracker for students. Honestly, it varies. Some people make $50 a month, others make $5,000 plus, but the beauty is once you publish it, it keeps selling 24/7 while you sleep. 2. Amazon Merch on Demand. Ever wanted to start your own clothing brand but didn't have the money? Say hello to Amazon Merch on Demand, the ultimate print on demand side hustle. You upload a t-shirt design, Amazon prints it, ships it, handles customer service, and you earn a royalty on every shirt sold. You don't touch inventory, you don't deal with returns, you don't need a website. A 22-year-old college student created a line of funny cat quote t-shirts. He designed them in Canva and uploaded them to Merch by Amazon. Now, he earns over $3,000 a month passively. What can you sell? T-shirt, studio, ski bags, sweatshirts, and just make random designs. Niche down. Think funny nurse quotes, dog mom slogans, introvert club humor. Use tools like Merch, Informer, Pinterest, and Etsy to get trending design ideas. Apply for a free Merch by Amazon account. Once approved, use Canva to create designs, then upload. Cost. Inventory. Headache. 3. Amazon Influencer Program. If you're active on social media, even with a small following, this next side hustle is pure gold. It's called the Amazon Influencer Program, and no, you don't need to be famous to join. What is it? You create short product review videos for Amazon, and if someone buys that product through your video, you get paid a commission. These videos appear right on the product pages. A stay-at-home dad created simple 30-second iPhone tripod reviews. Using just his phone camera, he posted 12 videos in one weekend. Within 30 days, he earned over $500, and now he's making around $2,000/month. No editing, no voiceover, just real opinions, anything you already own and use. Kitchen gadgets, deck accessories, fitness gear, kids toys, McCoy. Just show how you use it, speak honestly, and upload. Don't overproduce. Just be natural, use good lighting, and keep videos under 1 minute. Talk about pros and cons. Income potential: $5.30 per 1,000 views. Some influencers earn $100,500 a day if their videos go viral on popular products. 4. Amazon affiliate marketing via blogs, TikTok, YouTube. This next one is money making with Amazon, but it still works incredibly well today, especially with short-form content. It's called Amazon affiliate marketing. What is it? You recommend Amazon products using a special link, and when someone clicks it and buys, you earn a commission. Simple. Where to share your links: TikTok finds, videos, Instagram Reels, Outbe, Shorts, blog posts, Pinterest idea, Pinsec. Simple. A girl posts Amazon kitchen must-haves on TikTok. The video goes viral with 1 million views. Her affiliate link in bio gets 20,000 plus clicks, leading to hundreds in daily commissions. Use a Linktree or Beacons page in your bio. Make themed lists like home office setup under 50, Amazon gifts for dog lovers strategy that works in 20 to 5. Batch create 10 short videos at once. Post 1. Daily include your Amazon affiliate links in every caption or description. 5. Amazon FBA using free product samples. No investment flip. Last but not least, this one's for the hustlers. It's called FBA, flipping with free products. What is it? You sign up with brands that send free product samples in exchange for honest reviews or exposure, but instead of reviewing, you flip them using Amazon FBA or Facebook Marketplace. Where to get free products? Rebate, come try it. Sampling program, social nature influential product testers, Facebook group show it works. 1. Get the product free or rebate based. 2. List on Amazon, eBay, or Marketplace. 3. Ship it via Amazon FBA or direct to buyer. 4. Pocket. The Profita part-time college student in Florida made $1,200 a month flipping free or near free gadgets she got from Tryazon and Amazon Launchpad sellers. Focus on small, high-demand items like power banks, car accessories, beauty tools, smart home gadgets. So there you have it, -5 completely free Amazon side hustles that are working right now in 2025.no, inventory.no, investment.no. Excuses. Whether you're a student, a stay-at-home parent, or someone stuck in a job you hate, there's a path here for you. You just need to pick one, take action, and stay consistent. Let me know in the comments, which Amazon side hustle are you trying first? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more realistic, no-hype money-making guides every single week.